Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a video I'm making in respect to the platform called Ensola. My previous video was to tell you if the platform is legit or if it is fake. If you want to watch that video, kindly go to my channel. You will see that video where I explain the channel and the app, and then discuss if it is legit or fake. Also, you can check the video description. You will see a link there that will take you to that video where you will know more about this platform, if it is fake or not. But in this video, I want to show you how to recharge your account, how to fund this platform, how to fund it so that you can use the funding to buy an equipment. Before I continue, please, if you are new to my channel, do it to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that when I post new videos, you'll be notified. Let's get started. Now, if you log into the app, this is the first page you will see. This is a home page where you will see everything on the page. You will see recharge here. You can see this recharge. That's where you go to fund your wallet to add funds which you will use to buy equipment or devices. Now click on recharge. It will load a predefined amount, as you can see here. If any amount you want is here, click on it. If you don't want, maybe the amount you are looking for or the amount you want to fund is not here, you can type in the amount here. Like, let's say 6,000 naira, for instance. Then you will now select the payment option here. Sometimes you will see this payment method here will be 2, but in this case it is 1. So that is the default one that is there. Now, if there are 2, click on the one you want. But even if there are 2 or 3, always use SHPay. It is faster and doesn't give any issues. Now click on recharge. It will load and to bring out an account number. That account number is assigned to only you, and it will expire after some time. The amount you must pay is 6,000. Don't pay anything above 6,000 or less than 6,000. If not, you have issues. But the money will be reversed out to your account if you pay above or less than 6,000. Now copy this account number you see here. The bank is Paga. Go to your bank transfer app, type in the account number. When you are asked to select your bank, select Paga as a bank. It will show this name here. This name you see here, Imingado Microfinance Bank, will be displayed as a name. When the transfer is done, just close your banking app, come back to this page and close it. You will see your money in your app. This account number is valid for one time. Please do not transfer multiple times. If I've made one transfer, this account number will expire. Don't transfer again. Each time you want to fund, you create new account number. Each time you want to fund your wallet, you do this same process again so that you get a new account number. Don't use this account number more than once. Use it only once. So when you are done, go back to your app. Yeah, I don't want to fund. Go back to your app and the money will be reflecting in your app already. You see this alert here, it's showing me that the money I placed for withdrawal today, being 12th of May, has been processed successfully. Yes, I have received the money in my account. The money I withdrew was 1,906 naira. I withdrew it to today, being 12th of May 2024, and the money has arrived my account. Let me see if the alert. Okay, so that is it for this video. I'll do more video to explain to you more things about this app, like how to withdraw. My next video will be showing you how to withdraw and also how to buy device. Thank you for watching my video. Please do it to subscribe, hit the bell icon. If you have any question, ask me. Use the comment section to make your inquiries or complaint or any question, and I'll give you a reply. Thank you. Do have a lovely day.